Hi, Elisa George from CenterWorks.com with today's Pilates fitness tip. Today I want to show you a quick and easy exercise that you can practice almost anywhere to help strengthen the muscles around the kneecap and learn how to stabilize the knee joint to avoid locking the knees. I like to call this the kneecap dance, but in technical terms, the kneecap is called the patella. So this is actually a patella tracking exercise that has the added benefit of helping to strengthen the quadriceps and stabilize the knee. Executed correctly, you'll be improving the muscle control and support for your knee joint and learning how not to jam the kneecap back and cause pain or locked knees. Okay, are you ready? I'd encourage you to either wear shorts to get started or roll your pant legs up so that you can see your knees. Sit down on the floor, on a mat, on the floor, and since our focus isn't on posture today, if you want to sit with your back against a wall so you only have to pay attention to your knees and not worry about your core and your back muscles working to help you sit tall, I'm fine with that. Extend both legs straight out in front of you. If you're feeling a hamstring stretch, there's another muscle that needs some attention to help your knees feel better, but we'll save that topic for another day. If you want to take a bit of the stretch off, sit up on a phone book, a footstool, maybe even in a chair. It's important that you have straight but unlocked knees to practice this exercise. All right, to start, I like to put my fingers on my kneecap and just kind of wiggle it around a little bit. You want to be sure that you can identify the difference between when it's relaxed and has a little wiggle room and when it's lifted or in a stable position. If it's relaxed and has some wiggle room, you're in a great starting position. Now, take your hands and stroke upward along the inside and the outside of the thigh, starting right along the sides of the knee and lifting to about mid-thigh. This action uses your hands to help cue the muscles of the quadriceps along the front of the thigh and encourages the lift of the kneecap. If you're watching your kneecap while this is happening, you want to look and notice that your kneecap is lifting up as the quadricep muscle fires. Lift, hold for several seconds, then release and watch the kneecap slide back down to its resting, relaxed position. Now that you've got your kneecap moving, here's the challenge. Place one hand underneath each knee, or both hands under one knee if you're practicing with one leg at a time. Now, do your kneecap lifting exercise. Did you feel your leg press back into your hand as your kneecap lifted? If your answer is yes, you're locking your knees when you straighten your leg, which places more pressure and potential pain on the knee joint. So keep your hand behind your knee until you can move your kneecaps and keep the leg bones straight and still. If you can lift your kneecaps and your leg doesn't move, congratulations, you've figured out how to do the exercise correctly. That's it. It's a simple exercise that you can really do just about anywhere. I like to start seated, but eventually you want to also practice this while you're standing up. You can practice your kneecap dance one leg at a time, both kneecaps lifting at the same time, and with alternating kneecaps lifting. The right one goes up, the left one goes down, and then switch. Begin by lifting and holding for 5 to 10 seconds, and then relax. And do somewhere around 8 to 12 repetitions. If you think about this throughout your day, you might end up doing 3 to 5 sets. There are many opportunities throughout your day that you could take a minute and do your kneecap dance. You might even put on some good music and make your kneecaps move to the beat. Whenever you practice, be sure to avoid locking the knees while you're lifting your kneecaps, and you're on your way to strengthening your knees for better health. I hope you've enjoyed today's tip. Please leave me a comment and forward this link on to a friend. My goal is to share these tips and the message of good health with as many people as possible. Your Pilates and fitness workouts are just one way you can maintain your health. But there are also lots of easy things that you can do throughout your day, like the kneecap dance, to help keep your body strong, fit, and flexible. Check out more Pilates health and wellness resources on my website at CenterWorks.com. Have fun with your dancing kneecaps and enjoy a fit and fabulous day.